Hi, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. That's why I'm here. During the springtime, we think about cleaning up things and maintaining things, even changing the little batteries on our smoke alarms, and just making sure everything is going to be ready to go when we need it, right? Well, that's exactly what we need to do for ourselves too. Make sure that we have maintained ourselves with some good self care so that we're ready to go for the next thing that comes along. Life brings things, doesn't it? So, I wanted to be here to remind you that we are here to help you at Breakthrough Counseling and Consulting of Oklahoma. We would like to make sure that we're a part of the team that you build to maintain and to help your good mental health. Give us a call today so that we can talk to you about options and things that you can consider at 918-286-3278. So look forward to seeing you and hearing from you soon. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.